Hey guys, I am Rajat and today in this video I am going to show you how you can install PRISH OS Wide3 version 2 in your Samsung Exynos 7870 devices. To install the ROM, all you need to do is turn off your device and boot it to your custom recovery mode by pressing the home button, power key and the volume up key at the same time. Now after opening your custom recovery mode, you have to wipe your device. For that, just go to the third section called wipe and select Dolby, art cache, system and data, and after selecting this, swipe the arrow to the right side for wiping your device. As you can see that my device has been wiped successfully, so let me just show you the zip files that you need for installing this ROM. The first zip file that you need for installing this ROM is the create vendor zip file. Second one is the PRISH OS Wide3 version 2 zip file, and you need PRISH vendor version 2 zip files. All the links of the zip files has given in the description box. Now to install the ROM, first of all flash the create vendor zip file. Once you have installed the create vendor zip file, reboot your recovery mode. Now just simply flash the zip file of the PRISH OS ROM. Tap on next, then agree the terms and again tap on next, again next. Now select your resolution. Now select your keyboard. Select the apps that you want to install and tap on again next. Now just again tap on next and the installation process will get started. As you can see that the ROM has been successfully installed. Now just tap on next. By tapping on next, your device will show this kind of command, please wait. But after waiting a large amount of time, you do not get any response by the device. So you have to do a power reboot of your device by pressing the volume down key and the power key at the same time. When your device starts booting, then pressing again the volume up key, home button and the power key at the same time, you have to open your custom recovery mode. Now just flash the PRISH vendor version 2 zip file. Here you have to again tap on next, then agree the terms and then next, again next, then again next. Now make sure that you have selected the 2 UIs option and then tap on next. Now just again tap on next and then finish. And now by selecting the reboot system option, your device will be booted automatically. Now again, if your device is stuck at the boot logo, do a power reboot again by pressing the volume down key and the power key at the same time. By that, your device will be booted successfully. So here is our PRISH OS Wide3 version 2 ROM, which is basically ported from Galaxy J6. Now if we go to the settings and then about phone, we can see that the name is Galaxy J6, and in the software information we can see that it is based on Android 2.0 with Android 10 that gives the 1st July 2020's security patch. Now this video is just an installation video. If you want to know the features and bugs, check the description box, and a review video will be uploaded very soon. So that's it for today. Please subscribe to this channel, and guys, I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.